stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Okay, so I just put on some mascara because I couldn't find my lashes. Now we have to debate if we want like straight hair, wavy hair, we want to curl the hair. I think we might just go with straight hair. Like we might just do a part to the side, or middle part is easy. Middle part is like the easiest, so I'm gonna plug in the flat iron and flat iron the hair. Then I'm going to show you guys my outfit, and yeah, that should be our Netflix and chill. I don't even think we're gonna be chilling with what I have on. And this wig is from Cupcake Beauty. I have a full tutorial on how I colored the hair and how I installed it, so I'll link it in cards and also in the description, so be sure to check the description all the time. And I don't know, this is probably going to be the easiest hairdo for Netflix and chill because you can always just throw it into like a little ponytail, like a low ponytail, kind of like the one I had it in. Walk up, you can't pull up with it already in a ponytail, you know. You gotta wait till it gets dark, put your hair in a ponytail before you cut on the lights, take your hair back down. It could really be so simple. I don't know, and this makeup look is perfect for fall. Well, like, it's really just the lips because I didn't do anything with the eyes. I just put on eyeliner and mascara. I don't even have on fake lashes, you know, and I still look all dolled up. These are definitely 2018 vibes, 2019 vibes, no lashes. I have been like on the lashes this whole time, but then I like was wearing lashes and it was a full vibe. So it's like, either one is a vibe, but no lashes. Like if you don't have lashes, you're like, I don't have any lashes, I don't look cute. Like just know that it's a full vibe. So I'm gonna just spray a bit of hairspray, just for the flyaways. It's a great way to tame your flyaways. I don't know if you want to wear your hair straight like this, but I prefer a little more like sex hair. I'm sorry, but if you watch any of my videos, I like messy hair. To me, it's my vibes. Don't get mad at me for wanting freshly rolled out of bed sex hair. So our bodysuit can actually, like if we zip it all the way up, she's definitely a vibe. And yeah, we're probably not gonna wear any shoes. We'll wear some stocks. We'll wear some socks because we're gonna be Netflix and chilling. Look, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed and you made it this far, subscribe to my channel. I'm like really trying to post all the time. I've recently been posting like new videos every day. Minus Saturday and Sunday. That's the days I really have to kind of film. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.